Okay, and in this regard, he went to meet him. There was not any other reason to take the dollar. It was not the reason, only to meet him, because he thought that Todd would think that there is a friend who has come to meet him and waiting for him on the platform after 3 weeks. Then it is the writer who asks his friend Todd, would we take a taxi to go to the club? But in this time, or at this time, this friend who answered, no, we will go by walking. So this is the description that has been given in this 5th paragraph. So do we want to repeat it? If you want, we can do the same. Okay, means here we have seen there is a friend whose name is Todd who came back after 3 weeks, and it is writer who met him, and for that he went to the train and he was waiting for Todd on the platform, and it was his expectation or idea that this Todd would be so delighted after seeing his one of the friends. Okay, so this is the brief introduction in this paragraph. Then we see that we spent the evening together on that particular day when they met each other, talking about Bermuda, and they started speaking and talking about the Bermuda, what happened in Bermuda. Later, I was thinking of the dollar, but of course I didn't refer to it. Now, it was the time that this writer was thinking about a dollar, what was borrowed by Todd from him, and he wanted to refer it at that particular time, but he didn't want to refer it because it was the time not referring that dollar, but it was the time to get enjoyment with a friend who came after 2 weeks. Not 2 weeks, but 3 weeks, we can say. Okay. One simply can't. I asked him what currency is used in Bermuda and whether the American dollar goes at par. Means in order to get remembrance about a dollar, I asked him a simple question, that what is the currency is applied or used in Bermuda, and what dollar goes at par, whether the American dollar goes at par. Means these two questions are asked to him. I put a slight emphasis on the American dollar also, but found again that I could not bring myself to make any reference to it. Okay. So students, here are 2 things that we are seeing in this para. First thing is that on that evening, both of them were talking about Bermuda, and this writer did want to refer about a dollar which borrowed from him, but he wants to say that what is the currency in Bermuda and whether American dollar goes at par. These 2 questions were asked, but there was not any kind of remark or reference from Todd's side. Therefore, he says that I could not bring myself to make any reference to it. These are the 2 important points that are mentioned in this paragraph by the writer Stephen Leacock. In the next paragraph, what do we see? It took me some time to realize that he had completely forgotten the dollar. Okay. Means when he referred to events, to questions in front of him, what is the currency applied in Bermuda, and then whether the American dollar goes at par. In these two questions he answered nothing. And then Stephen Leacock came to know that this is my friend who is Todd, who has completely forgotten from his mind to return his dollar. Okay. Then I asked him one day what his trip cost him. He said that he kept no accounts. Then it was the third reference that was asked to him. What was the trip cost him? But he replied he kept no accounts of that trip. Then a little later I asked him if he felt settled down after his trip, and he said that he had practically forgotten about it. And so I knew it was all over. Means in this paragraph we have been seeing that whether a question is asked about the cost of the trip, he replied he kept no count. Later on he asked if he felt settled down after his trip. He said practically forgotten about it. Okay. Means from these events, incidents, this is the writer who came to know Todd had completely forgotten about a dollar. Okay. In all this, I bear Todd no grudge. I have simply added him to the list of men who owe me $1 and who have forgotten it. There are quite a few of them now. I make no difference in my demeanor to them, but I only wish that I could forget. Okay. So what is the explanation of these lines? Okay, let's see. I bear no grudge about Todd. What means grudge, if you know? Means though Todd had forgotten all the matter concerning about $1. So it is no hatred that raised in the mind of the writer, because it's a matter of the friendship. In friendship, the relationship based on the money is not kept, but the relationship on the nature that is being kept. And therefore this writer says that he bear means he generates no grudge, no antagonism in his mind. Okay. And he simply says that I have added him the list of men who owe me $1 and who have forgotten it. Means here we come to know that the writer has created a list or made a list, and in what he has written down the names of the people who have taken or borrowed $1 from him and who have simply forgotten to return it to the writer. Okay, means there is the reference about the list that is created by the writer. Okay. There are quite a few of now. I make no difference in my demeanor to them, but I only wish that I could forget. Okay. Means though these are the people who have not returned back or given back his $1, it's not the matter, and because of this we will not create any difference between them. Okay. But it's a matter of humanity that the writer wants to refer here. So what kind of the relationship that writer has kept between his friends? The relationship of humanity, and therefore he has not generated any kind of hatred and antagonism. Okay. Therefore, he says that, but this kind of nature should be created in me where I could forget them, where the writer could forget these people. Means what we have seen here, that from the beginning to this paragraph, we have seen here that after 3 weeks Todd came back to, and both of them discussed, but Todd could not remember about $1, where Stephen understood. Todd has completely forgotten about $1 which was borrowed from him earlier, or before 3 weeks. Okay, students, here we have seen the brief explanations about these paragraphs. Okay, thank you.